Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the Oxford University, and this basically we are talking about the Oxford University basically who do the job basically. They are doing the job basically, you can say. The University of Oxford basically they are just doing the job of the royal family basically. And royal family have the rights basically to allocate the space basically in the universe basically. How basically that is connected, that is basically also connected with one history basically. For that basically you have to see basically this first king of the world basically. His name is
King Sargon,
King Sargon,
Raja Sargon,
Raja Sargon. And what is this basically?
King Sargon of Akkad, Akkad के राजा सरगोन, Akkad के राजा सरगोन,
Then what is it occurred that we will see? Where is this? Iraq. So this is basically the Iraq basically. So where is Iraq basically? One of the person asked a question basically. That basically Iraq. That need to check here basically in map basically where is Iraq basically. So just see how the things are going to connect and going to give the earthquake basically. Iraq dirham basically. And currently what is the price of Iraq dirham basically, that also we will see basically. 63%. See basically what is the time. Iraq. So Iraq is the country basically. Asia basically. That's why basically one of the person told that basically. One of the person means that is this basically. Jesus family every time basically come back to Asia basically land. So just to tell basically, just to give the proof basically why Jesus family every time basically comes to Asia land basically. So reason is basically the history basically of the and this basically mostly the each and every information they might be giving the correct only basically. So whatever things basically are in front of the world, that basically everybody knows. Same way basically this example basically I had told Parsi history, this basically like this one of the person told that yeah basically, but why they might be doing like this thing basically. Tata Group basically, if lots of people says that he's from Parsi, and basically might be possible that basically might not be Parsi, might be some Sindhi caste group basically. Then one of the person asked the question basically, you have any Sindhi friend basically? Then one of the Sunil told them, yeah basically I had two friend basically. Sindhi friend basically I have basically, but they basically are not helping. They are not touching. They are basically not with the touch with me basically. Then he told that they basically are touch with their. Then one other person told that basically this Sindhi family, that is the Tata Group family, this Baba family basically you can say, is connected with this family basically. Then he told that might be connected basically and might not be also basically. Might be connected and might not be, basically. Or basically it might be possible that basically they might have gone against with Sri Krishna family. That also basically might be possible basically. But Sindhi family basically say that basically we believe in Sri Krishna basically. We believe in Sri Krishna basically. Then he told that basically, yeah, if they believe in Sri Krishna, then basically why there? Then he told that basically that need to check here basically. Then basically the story comes like this basically. Again back to this, that is Iraq, and mostly basically the king person basically who is just name basically we had taken, he basically might not be basically from Iraq. That is 100% sure basically. Because whatever things basically in front of the world basically, that all are basically wrong. The example is this basically. The example is see basically. Headquarter is here in Mumbai. That means these groups basically, that is the Tata group basically, are connected with one of the royal family basically. See basically Tata group. You can see the Tata son. See basically this Tata Motors, Tata Steels basically. Founded by Jamshedji Tata basically. And Jamshedji Tata basically died in 1904 basically. In Germany. See basically Germany basically. I told you basically one German family basically created the Gujarati family. Yes, yeah, basically Gujarati caste was created by the German only basically. See basically world will end on time only basically. Just see basically. Due to few people basically. Just see basically, yeah. German family has created that. He was born in Navsari basically, yeah, basically. See basically that is Gujarat basically. Navsari, where is basically Navsari? Then he told that basically Navsari basically that need to check here basically. How basically each and everything are connected, and that's see basically. How basically entire plan basically was done basically. Navsari is in Gujarat here basically. Then one of the person asked the one more question basically. One of the person basically asked the question basically. This Navsari school basically, that is Vidya Kunj basically, is he have basically any connection with this family? Then yaar, basically yaar, how basically I can handle this basically yaar? Then basically he told that basically because everything is getting end basically, that's why basically. Then he told that basically Vidya Kunj Navsari school basically. Is there is any connection between this school, this group, and then this group, and then this group, and then this group, and then basically we will jump to this also. That is this basically. These people and this group basically are connected. Peace group basically. That are peace group basically. Then he told them basically that need to check here. Then one of the person asked that also basically. This group and is this group basically are connected with this group basically, and this group basically are connected with